We're going to look at more on fractional exponents in lesson 109. Looking at example 1. Example 1, very simple. If you have variables, so we got a variable of 2, we got a variable of x, y, and z. If you have variables that are being multiplied, if you remember in the past, and we have an exponent outside of the parentheses, then all we do is distribute that exponent to each variable. So 2 cubed, okay, that's a cubed. 2 cubed would be 8. 1/2, okay, so we add 1/2 times 3. So that'd be x to the 3 over 2 power. Y would be 3 over 4, and then z would be cubed. And that's it. All right, that easy peasy. We've done that before. But the key is if they are all the variables are being multiplied. Now let's look at one where we have an addition sign in the middle. If we have something like that and it's squared, we cannot just multiply both exponents by 2. Can't do that. What that actually looks like, or that translates to x to the 1/2 power plus y negative squared, whatever, times x 1/2 plus y negative 1/2. This is how this translates. And then you have to FOIL. So first would be x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2. Now remember, if we have something like this, we don't multiply them, okay? That does not equal 1/4. That does not equal that. We have to add the two exponents. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. So that in turn would just be x. So we did the first. So 1/2 plus 1/2, we get 1. Now we have, okay, outside. So we got a plus sign, so plus x to the 1/2 power, y to the negative 1/2 power. Can't do anything further from there. That's as simplified as that can be right now. All right, inside, so we did outside. Inside would be plus x to the 1/2 power, y to the negative 1/2 power. Last is going to be y. All right, now we're adding these two exponents, negative 1/2 plus, or well, I guess it'd be minus 1/2 equals negative 1. So it'd be y to the negative 1 power. So now we're here, but notice we have like terms. I should have put it, sorry, need a plus sign there. We have like terms. If we have like terms, if we have two of them, that would be 2x to the 1/2 power, y negative 1/2. Thus leaving us with our answer. So we just simplified the two like terms to be 2x 1/2, y negative 1/2. And that's your answer, and that's how you solve for these fractional exponents.